Guys, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm going to bring you another very good crypto project on Telegram. Now, out of more than 20 projects that I'm farming on Telegram, this project is one of my top 3 projects that I'm very bullish on right now, and that's why I'm going to share it with you guys. This project is called NOTAI, and why I really like this project is that, number one, it is the first AI based project on Telegram on the Tom blockchain. It's the first project that is AI related. And another reason why I like this not AI is that, unlike other Telegram project that is just tap tap, that you tap on the screen, that is tap tap, like Notcoin, Hamster and the rest, this not AI is like an actual game. Like it's an actual game you can play on Telegram, and it is an interesting game. It's like a shooting game where, just like our old games in those days, Contra 4 and so on. So you shoot enemies, you kill bosses, and you get their points. Now, apart from that, this project also has a very huge backing. It also has a very big community with millions of people in their Telegram and also on their Twitter handles. So this project looks like it's going to be very good. And it's a very interesting project, right? And also it looks very promising. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started with this project. As you already know, the link will be in the description of this video. And also, make sure you take this project seriously if you can, and let's get right into the tutorial. Alright guys, so as you already know, when you click the link to the project in my description, you'll be brought to this page. Now, when you launch the game, it will show up something like this. Now, this not AI is a very easy project, but it just requires you to grind and play the game. But first of all you need to do is to tap. There's a little tapping here, so you can just do tapping once in a while if you can. Then you come over here to the tasks. Now, there are a lot of tasks here. Twitter first is the daily task, so you just come in here, you claim your daily reward, and then you complete all these other tasks. You connect to Telegram, connect your wallet, join their channel, like on Twitter. First blood, this one is when you play the game, you get this reward. Now, when you come over here to profile, this is the level, your current level. Now, this is my current level. I'm on level 37, and these are some other things you can upgrade. So you keep on upgrading your level, and then you keep on upgrading this other stuff: your fire power, your first aid, tactical movement and strength. Now, the higher the level of this level of your fire power and all these things, the more easy it is for you to kill the enemies and get higher rewards. And also, this is the rank, this is the leaderboard here. So your goal should be to increase, to get high on this rank, and also on this dead pool. Have a lot of dead pool. Like, this dead pool is the number of people you have killed while playing the game, right? And then this is your level. I'm on level 37 currently. Now, to do all of this, you need to play the game. So this middle button right here is how you play the game. So you load the game and you play the game. Now, in this game, there are 2 different worlds, and one is more difficult than the other. Now, this one is the Neon Street. It's the first one, and then this is the other one, the Cyber Town. Now, this Cyber Town has more difficult bosses, right? But the rewards are more. So if you have higher level, if you have increased your level, you can play the Cyber Town. But if you are just starting out, you start with this Neon Street. You leave the city and then you start playing the game. Now, I want a better view of the game. You can rotate your phone like this so that you can see the enemy better and just kill the game. So this is basically how the game is. As you kill them, you take their points, and it increases your firepower. It increases not your firepower, it increases your points and also your dead pool. And when you get more points, you can level up and increase your level. That's basically it for this game, guys. It's very simple, and It's very straightforward. So finally, if you can invite friends over here, and then you get a little reward for also referring other people. And that's it guys for this video guys. Please take this point seriously. This top three up here, your level, your rank, and your Deadpool. They are the three most important things in this game. So level up, get high as you can on this Deadpool, on these three requirements, and you'll be good to go in this project. And that is it guys for this project. Very simple. I believe this project will cook very well, especially for those that are in the top level of the game. So take it seriously. I believe it will do nothing less than $100, $200, or even up to $1,000 for top players. So do with that information as you will, and also don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more updates, more good projects. And also I have a WhatsApp community. I have a group on WhatsApp where we share updates for crypto airdrops, and also you can ask questions there. You can get any help you need, and also share some daily combos. So the link to that community will be in the description, so you can click the link and join my community on WhatsApp. And I'll see you in the next one.